How to delete search history on YouTube app. So to start, what we need to do is to open our YouTube account, and then in here we'll have to tap on the search icon. After that, it will show us all the YouTube search history that we have on our account. If you want to remove or delete the search history manually, all you need to do is to tap on that search history. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. Simply tap on the remove option, and then after that, you will just have to repeat the process. But if you want to delete all your search history at once, what you need to do is to go to your profile. To do that, go on the bottom part of the screen and then tap on your profile picture. Here on your profile, you will see the settings icon. Tap on this one. Under here, you will see this manage all history. And then after that, we'll have to scroll down here until you see this delete option. Simply tap on this one. And then here, you will now see this option delete all time. So if you want to delete all your search history, all you need to do is to tap on this delete all time. But you have to keep in mind that if you tap on this delete all time option, it will also delete all your watch history. So those are the ways on how you can delete search history on YouTube app. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.